Hi, and welcome to 3423 Wisteria Drive, a rare Point Loma home where charm, lifestyle, and opportunity come together on an incredible street-to-street lot, spanning more than 10,000 square feet from Wisteria Drive all the way to Wing Street. This beautifully maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath home blends warmth and character with thoughtful modern upgrades throughout. Inside, you'll find a remodeled kitchen, beautifully updated bathrooms, abundant natural light, and mini split heating and air conditioning for year-round comfort. The property also features a junior ADU offering flexibility for guests, extended family, a home office, or potential income opportunities. Outside, the grounds are designed for easy coastal living with low-maintenance landscaping, turf yards, mature trees, and of course, a stunning wisteria tree that gives the home its storybook charm. What truly sets this property apart is the rare street-to-street frontage on both Wisteria and Wing Street, creating an exceptional sense of space, accessibility, privacy, and future potential that is almost impossible to find in Point Loma. Whether you envision expanding, entertaining, gardening, or simply enjoying the relaxed coastal lifestyle, this property offers endless possibilities. All just minutes from Plamosa Park, Liberty Station, yacht clubs, sandy beaches, waterfront dining, top-rated schools, and everything that makes Point Loma one of San Diego's most beloved coastal communities. 3423 Wisteria Drive, a special property with room to live, grow, and dream. Call me today to make this dream your reality.